How to get the best working Cengage promo codes. Looking to cut costs on textbooks and study tools, here's how to find the best working Cengage promo codes. So start by checking trusted coupon sites such as Coupon Follow, Hot Deals, and Retail Me Not. Verified codes here often give you 20 to 50% off plus free shipping on qualifying orders. So to be able to get the codes for each of this voucher, simply click on the show code button and this would allow you to view that specific code for the specific offer. And then once you have the code, head back to Cengage and then paste the code into the discount code section to apply it. Always use verified codes first. These are tested and guaranteed to work, unlike community submitted codes which may be expired. Consider signing up for Cengage Unlimited. It often comes with bundle discounts and promo codes for extra savings. Cengage offers special discounts for students and military members, so verify your status to unlock additional savings. Combine promo codes with free shipping orders. Orders over $25 often qualify, helping you save even more. And that is how to get the best working Cengage promo codes.